When entering a separation agreement or applying before the court, all parties must provide complete financial disclosure. Full financial disclosure is a fundamental prerequisite to resolving any family law case. The Family Law Act and its interpretation by our courts leave no room for uncertainty. Any agreement can be set aside if a party fails to truthfully and accurately disclose their financial position. According to the court's rules, completing the financial statement is mandatory. There are two primary forms to consider: Form 13.1 for support and property claims, or Form 13 for support claims only. These forms must contain information that is complete, but also correct and up to date. Remember that the financial statement is a sworn document, similar to an affidavit. When you sign this completed document, you provide evidence in the same manner as if you were in a court of law. An incorrect, incomplete, or misleading financial statement, aside from potentially affecting the validity of any agreement, can also harm your credibility in the eyes of the other party during settlement negotiations and in the eyes of the court when rendering a decision. The financial statement is the foundation for determining several critical aspects, including each party's current income, income potential, present and proposed standards of living, and net family property. All information contained in your financial statement must be substantiated by supporting documentation. You should retain, gather, and organize all relevant receipts, utility bills, canceled checks, property or business valuations, bank account statements, including credit cards, lines of credit, and RRSPs, and investment records. We hope you have found this video informative and helpful. If you require further guidance on filling out a financial statement, please don't hesitate to contact us or visit our website for additional resources and support.